Hi everyone! Welcome back to my Facebook page, Pinay Lawyer in New Zealand. Alright, so for today's video, i-discuss ko naman basically kung ano ang WES. Okay? WES is one of the requirements for NZQA. WES stands for World Education Services. So, gini-verify nito lahat ng documents na isinasabit mo sa NZQA for legitimacy checking. So, iti-check ng NZQA through WES kung verified ba at authentic ba ang documents na sinesend mo. Bayad dito is 55 USD. So, paano ba yung process? First of all, meron silang portal. Gagawa ka muna doon ng account mo, and then after that, magre-request ka sa university registrar mo na isend ang iyong documents to WES directly. No? Kapag natanggap na ng WES ang iyong complete documents coming from the university registrar, kailangan magbayad ka na rin ng 55 USD. So after 7 working days, pag natapos na ng WES ang tinatawag na World Record Verification Report, directly isesend na yan ng WES sa NZQA. So what is left for you to do? Ang gagawin mo na lang, maglo-login ka sa iyong account through the WES portal at i-check mo kung ano na ang status ng iyong WES request. Okay? So you will be notified through your account kung completed na at verified na at na-send na sa NZQA ang iyong complete report. Okay, so that's all for the WES segment here in my Facebook page. Please tune in for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye!